Welcome back to the channel. Now, we've generated thousands of leads and successfully managed hundreds of profitable Google Ads campaigns for our clients over the years. And today, I'm going to show you 2 tips on how to come up with clickable headlines and descriptions that will outperform your competitors' ads every time. So first, we want to look at our competition and the ads that show up when we Google our core service and location. So for this video, we're going to assume we're a drainage company in London that specializes in block drains. Now we'll Google block drains London and have a look at all these ads for block drains from different businesses. If you do roof repairs, Google roof repairs London, or if you offer boiler installation, Google boiler installation London. You get the idea. So now we'll look at their headlines, descriptions, and anything else associated with their ads. You can click on these different links and see where they take you. You can also click on the domain and see their landing page. When coming up with headline ideas, you want to assess and check the headlines of your competition. See what they're offering. So this over here is a great headline because customers are always looking for the desired outcome when they're searching for any local services. And here they've put the desired outcome in the headline itself, which is block drains cleared fast. Now this one works because it directly addresses the problem of someone who has a blocked drain and assures and convinces them that this company can unblock their drain fast. Now this is important, not just clear and unblock your drain, but doing it fast. Faster than any other company. Everyone else is offering drain unblocking services, but this company is offering to do it much quicker than anyone else, and that counts. And below that, we have this company that has £60 in their headline. Now you don't have to put exactly the same thing in your headline, but think about what you can put to compete with this ad, so customers click on your ad instead of this one. Maybe you can put in unblocking services starting at £50, just to stay one step ahead of the competition. Similarly, in the description of this ad, they've mentioned 1 hour emergency response time, so you could put 45 minutes so that your ad stands out. And this ad over here is giving 10% off, so you could either match their offer or give 15% off on your unblocking services. Whatever you choose to go with, your aim is to offer such immense value in your headline and description that it's a no-brainer for your customer to choose you. So think about the things that customers need when they call you, the desired outcome they want from your services, and put it in your headline. The desired outcome for your customers might be quicker service. If they're on a tighter budget, it might be a cheaper service. Or if they work odd hours, they might need you to unblock their drain outside of the usual 9 to 5 window, so they need a company which is open 24/7. Next, we want to see all the ads that our main competitor is running. So go to Google Ads Transparency Center and put the name of your top competitor in the search bar. For this video, we'll put in PM 24/7, and now we can see all their ads, headlines, and descriptions. Now we can take inspiration from their ad copy and headlines and use them for our own ads. So let's build a spreadsheet and create offers for our headlines. So the first offer we'll have in our headline will be 15% off with this code. For the second headline, put in 45-minute response time. For the third headline, we can take inspiration from our competitor's headline and put in only pay if the blockage is cleared. And for the fourth headline, let's put in 75% off, fixes in 30 minutes. Now you don't want to go overboard and promise things that you can't deliver. So look at your stats and response time from previous jobs and craft your headline accordingly. There's nothing worse than promising a response time of 45 minutes only to reach your client's location 30 or 40 minutes late. You failed at the first hurdle. So don't overcommit, then underdeliver. Don't be that guy. Nobody likes that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
And that is how you blow your competition out of the water by crafting clickable headlines and descriptions. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that will help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.